In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your printer displays the 1688 error code. This is the Canon Pixma E480 model. If this isn't the exact printer you have, but you have another Canon or Canon of the Pixma series, then this should work for you as well, as they all share the same error codes and the solutions more or less are very similar, if not the same. This should be quite helpful for you. So what you're going to want to make sure you do is you have your printer on, connected, you've got the consistent green power light, and of course it's plugged in. And what we want to start by doing is coming to the bottom of the printer at the front here, as this could be an issue with the cartridge. It normally means that the cartridge is either empty or is very low on ink, one or more than one. So what you need to do is to take this little tab here, pull down and just open this up, and the cartridge will now slide into the operating position, just like so. And what you want to do is to release the cartridges, either one of them or both of them, to make sure they are full. And if they're not, of course, you need to change them. So how to do this is to push down on the top of the cartridge, like so, and then you can gently slide them out. There you are. And once you have the cartridge out, this is a brand new cartridge, in fact, so I know that it's full, but if it was empty, then I'd need to change it. But as I have it out, I'm just going to make sure that the condition of the cartridge is tip-top, there's nothing wrong with it. And of course, it's quite important to make sure that the sticker there is removed when you take it out of the packet. This could cause problems later down the line. It's also worth noting that these are Canon cartridges for the Canon printer. This is what I'd always recommend, to use the same brand of cartridge for the printer, as just to make sure you're not going to run into any issues with a third-party design. Sometimes they can be designed for one or more printers, whereas the Canon cartridges are made exactly for this machine. If you're still not sure which ones to get, as there's a few different options out there, there's a little diagram here to explain to you which cartridges go into this machine. So this is the PG47, and here you see the PG47 on the ticket. And of course, for the color, it'll be the same. So I'll take that out now and show you. So you can see this is the CL57S, the color cartridge, which is the same as this. Now, these are both brand new cartridges, of course, so I'm going to put them back in. But of course, if you're looking to replace your empty ones, then you'll need to take the brand new ones out of the packet and install them. We have another video detailing exactly how to do that, so if you need help with that, please do check that out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put these ones back in. So now we've got both of them out. It's sometimes easy to forget which way they go in. There's a little sticker here to help us with that. So we put the black on the right and the color on the left, and we can install those now. What you want to do is just put the cartridge in at a little bit of an angle, and then click it in and push it up. Make sure to be careful with this, of course, as I said before, there's the plastic components everywhere, so it's easy to push it a little bit too hard and break the printer. And then we want to put the color cartridge in next. So push it in and then up, like so, and that should be good to go. Now, the printer won't register that you've put the cartridges back in yet, so what you need to do is to put this up, click it in, and then the cartridge will slide over into the next position, and it should register that you've done this, and that you see on the screen it's come up ready to go, connected and in printing mode. So now you know what to do if you receive this error code. I hope the video has been useful for you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any other questions or you're still not sure about anything, do drop us a comment. We'll be sure to help you out. My name's Pat. This is Printers with Pat.